Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. Today our topic is amorphous solid. Amorphous solid, also known as non-crystalline solid. Okay, amorphous solid, also known as non-crystalline solids. Amorphous is a Greek word meaning without shape, without shape, and without structure. Structure. Okay, that is the reason we also called amorphous solid is a galaxy solid. Amorphous means shapeless. Okay, a solid. Now we defines definition of amorphous. Definition of amorphous. Amorphous solid. A solid is said to be amorphous in which no regular arrangement structure exists. Means unregularity exists, not regular structure exists. Okay, these amorphous, these solid exhibit short range orders. Exhibit mean perform. Perform short range orders and lack of long range orders. Okay, an amorphous solid is the opposite extreme of single crystals. Means amorphous solid behaves opposite as compared to single crystals, is the opposite extreme of single crystals. Okay, behaves opposite extreme of a single crystals. A typical feature of these substance is that they have no definite melting points. Why no definite melting points? Means they have no regular shapes and means shapeless. That is the reason they have no definite melting points. Okay, and examples of amorphous solid. Plastic is an example of amorphous solid, and glass is also an example of amorphous solid. Glass is a amorphous solid that exhibit a glass transitions. Amorphous is a amorphous solid that exhibit mean perform a glass transition. What is transition? What is transition? The process or period of a changing from one state or condition to another. That is called transitions. Okay, and properties of amorphous solid. The physical properties exhibit. Exhibit mean performs isotropic. What is isotropic? Isotropic means same properties in all directions. No sharp melting points. No sharp melting point means melt gradually. Okay, the instantaneous pictures of atoms in amorphous solid is just like that of in a liquid, sometimes called supercooled liquid, sometimes called supercooled liquid, sometimes called supercooled liquids, and also we called amorphous solid liquid. Solid liquid mean liquid in frozen. Okay, clear? Next topic is semicrystalline solid. Semicrystalline solid, also known as polycrystalline solid. Okay, clear? Semicrystalline solid, also known as polycrystalline solid. Definition: the solid whose properties lie in between crystallines and amorphous solid. mean the semi-crystalline solid not exist in one state. This is exist in between crystallines and amorphous solid. Crystallines and amorphous solid. That is the reason a short range order exists constitute among constitute clear constitute atoms, ions or molecules is known as constitute among constitutes. And other definition, we also define semi-crystalline solid in another way. A solid consisting of many crystallite groans together in the form of an interlocking mean connected with each other, interlocking, mass oriented, randomly and separated by well defining boundaries is said to be a polycrystalline solid. Okay, clear? And properties, point of semicrystalline. Due to a random distribution of crystallite, a polycrystalline solid is isotropic. Its properties are same on an average in all directions. Mean this is property same in all directions. Clear? Thanks for watching.